Hi, if you like this look that I have got on, then stick around to see how I create it. Hi, welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia. I absolutely love colourful makeup, and today we're just going to do a quick get ready with me. And yeah, this is Pep. I'm going to put you down. I thought we would play again with Jolie Beauty's Till Death collection. Thought I'd do a look with that. Really been enjoying it. I'll show you the palette. This is the palette here. It's a very sort of more neutral leaning palette. It does have some sort of like more sort of pinky mauvey colours down the centre here. This is your more sort of neutral shades here. There is a few sort of like green shades, and then at the end it's more sort of like your greys. And it's all shimmer, you know, there's no glitters in this one, it's shimmers, and they're really, really pretty. I have been enjoying this a lot. I do have the two liquid lipsticks. I've got one on just now. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'll show you it so you can see. It's this one here, and it's like that. And then the other one is like a sort of a grey colour. I'm just going to quickly show you, because I did do like a full, I did a video and we did 2 looks with it. This is the grey one. And there is 3 liquid eyeshadows as well. Just quickly, we've got like a sort of a silver one. There is it's kind of like a sort of a pinky, sort of rose gold sort of colour. And then the last one is like sort of like a gold shade. But yeah, I'm just going to do a look with this today, and we'll just get stuck right in. I've already got my base face on, and I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk Foundation. In my last video, I'm sorry, I kept on saying Revlon. I did flash up Revolution. I don't know why I was saying Revlon, probably because I've used Revlon in the past, but Revolution Skin Silk Foundation. And we'll just get stuck right in. I've got one of my Halara dresses on today, this blue one. It's quite nice. And I got like a wee free necklace with it as well, because I've got another dress and a little skirt. I am going to be doing a summer haul, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the various, so there'll be like some Shein, there'll be Halara, there'll maybe be a couple of pieces from Temu, Beauty Boutique, other brands that I like, and we'll do like a massive summer haul, and I'll show you everything that I've got. But we'll just get stuck right in. Oh, and I do have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collection coming to me from Fusion. We'll see what that's like. We'll maybe do 2 looks with that. It'll be like a first impressions. I think I have tried the brand. I think it was a highlighting, yeah, it was a highlighter that I had from them that I'd really, really liked. But I've never tried their eyeshadow or any of their other products, so this will be, yeah, new to me. I think we're going to do sort of more sort of grey, just having blue on. And I think I'm going to go for sort of a more sort of flicky. And I think what we'll do is we'll go into this one here for the inner, because I want to make it quite light in the inner section. And we'll bring it up like so. But yeah, I have that collection coming to me. I did watch Angelica Nienquish using it, and I really liked what she did with it. And I think it was actually her first time trying the brand as well. So I've got that coming to me. So we will do a video with that, and we will do a summer haul with all my various different things that I've got. There's dresses, there's tops, I think there's maybe even shorts. There's a couple of bikinis, swimsuits, there's various different things. Just trying to make sure this is matching. I know, I should pin my hair out of the way when I do my makeup looks. I always forget. And I'm like, well, my hair's sitting really nice. Do I want to put a clip in and then have a big clip mark in it? Probably not. And I'm not really keen on hairbands, eh? I've tried a few different hairbands, and I just think they hurt my head. They hurt my head. Right, and then we're going to go into, I'm just going to go wipe that brush off, and we'll go into this sort of grey shade up here. The first shade was called, I think it says Unity, and the second one is Commitment that I'm going into. And we're just going to do like a little flick, like so. Yeah, that's quite nice, and we'll do the same at the other side. Just got to always make sure that they're matching. This is the only thing that's I think that looks okay, and I think what we'll do is we'll bring that down under the eye as well, like so. And we'll do the same at the other side. So I've only used Witty and Commitment. I'm now going to go into a fluffy brush. That was an angled brush that I was using. And I'm going to go into the white shade here at the end, and that's called Bones. And I'm just going to, over that first shade, just to try and blend it out a bit. And we'll do the same with the other side. And I think that Unity shade, I'm just going with the same brush, will just lightly overlap the flicks. Yeah, that looks okay, and I might even run that underneath. And then I think what we're going to do is we're going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to go into this sort of silver shade here, and that's called Dedication. And we're just going to do the same at the other side. I might actually go into one of I might go into the silver liquid eye shadow actually, just to brighten it a bit more. That's the rose gold. Yeah, this one. And I'm just on the other side of the brush. I'm just going to, in the corner of my eyes, to brighten it up and just bring it up a bit. Yeah, that's a bit better. Do the same at the other side. I'm putting it into the corner and just kind of sort of flicking it up and over a little bit, just to blend into that sort of shimmer that we've put on. So yeah, I'm quite liking that. That's looking quite nice. Already got the lipstick on, and then I'm going to take, this is from the Rick and Morty collection, that was my previous video. We're going to use the cream blush from this. I'm just going to lightly tap over my cheeks, like so. And take a brush, and we'll just very lightly, like so. That's quite nice actually, yeah, I'm liking that. And we'll do the same at the other side. No, I'm not going to do a highlight, I think we're just going to leave it like that. Then I'm going to take my lashes. This is the P. Louise Michaela palette, and I've really been enjoying the ones on the bottom here, the half lash, going to put those on, and I'm going to use my Jolie lash to do that. Should hopefully be back with another video, maybe the beginning of next week for the turtle collection. I'm not sure, or I might do my summer haul with my clothes. I've really been liking half lashes at the moment. I really like these ones from P. I've got ones that I got from Temu. I think I used them in one of my videos, my Temu haul, and I really like them as well. Actually, like when I've been cutting my lashes, I've actually been cutting them into a half lash. That's fine. And then my mascara, it's my usual, it's Essence Lash Princess. I must mention this in every video, but I love this mascara. It's only about £3.95, £4.95 off of Just My Look. Yeah, and I absolutely love it. I've spent money on loads of various, you know, expensive mascaras, and I've not liked them. This always, it does what I want it to do. It separates and lengthens. It's mainly for the bottom lash, because I always put false lashes on. I probably should have put this on first, actually. I'll just have to do that just to blend my lashes in. Yeah. And this is the final look. It was just a quick get ready with me and a little chat. If you've got any suggestions to makeup that I try, you know, clothes brands that I try, you know, leave a comment. If you're new to the channel, you know, please subscribe to the channel. Like my video, leave a comment, it all helps. And I will be back really soon with a new video. Bye! Hi, I should have said in my video, I'm affiliated with Jolie Beauty. I will leave my links that will take you directly to the products that I've used today in the video. It just means that I get 10% if you buy anything through my links. Thanks.